Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your funds from the funding wallet to your spot wallet on Binance. For example, you bought your coins using P2P, and they tend to go to your funding wallet. Then I'm going to show you how to transfer those coins from your funding wallet to your spot wallet so that you can start the trading. So what you have to do is to open up your Binance account. If you go to your Binance, then you we have 5 options down here. You have home, market, trades, futures, and the wallet. So you choose the wallets option, you open the wallets. It will open an interface just like this. You have overview, spot, funding, margin, futures. So make sure you go to the sports option. If you go to the sports option, you go and tap transfer. When you tap transfer, then we have to transfer these funds from the funding wallet and to the spot wallet. So you make sure that the funding is up, where you see from funding, then down we have to the spot wallet. So make sure you click these inverted arrows, you click them so that the setting changes. My coins are in form of USDT, so you come down here where you see BTC, you tap on the arrow. After tapping on the arrow, you choose USDT. Mine in the form of USDT, you tap USDT. After tapping USDT, if you want to transfer all the funds you have in your funding wallet, you tap max. After tapping max, then you have and confirm the transfer. Then boom, the transfer will be successful. You have transferred your funds from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So you can start using these funds in form of trading, opening trades, or any other option. Thank you so much.